back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. Now, I know a lot of you have great customer service skills, but you don't want to be in a call center type environment, being tied to the phone all day. And with today's technology, there's all kind of things like website chat, there is email, and there is ticketing systems that works kind of like email where you log in to a website and you put in a support ticket. It's just a message, almost just like an email, and then you wait for a response. So with all of these ways of communicating these days, I have been on the hunt for non-phone type jobs, and that is what I have for you today. This job entails just answering and responding to emails. We're going to dive all in. The links to all the pages I share are always linked in the YouTube description box below this video. Now, today's job lead is from the company SamCart. SamCart only has 55 reviews from current and past employees on Glassdoor, so as always, please come read the reviews and do your own research on any companies before giving them your personal information. However, out of those 55 reviews, they do have an employee satisfaction rating that is pretty high, coming in at 4.4 out of 5 stars, and they are hiring a customer experience specialist. Now, SamCart is a technology company. They're helping today's e-commerce run on selling products, not brands. They're an e-commerce software platform built by creators for creators. So this is a software people can subscribe to get their online shops up and running and sell products online. So small business owners are going to be normally who SamCart customers are. Now, if you stay with me till the end of the video, I do have a salary estimate for this job for you. But they're basically looking for somebody to provide primary support for their customer base. You'll become a product expert as well as an educator and advocate. So you will be responding to the customer inquiries via Fresh Desk email, and they do have live website chat coming soon. But that's the basis of the job, just providing a customer support, tech support, and any product knowledge through email. You'll help troubleshoot the customer issues pertaining to the platform usage configuration. You'll help understand and identify the customer pain points and help drive any escalation process by coordinating between the product team and the support team. You'll also act as a liaison or go-between for the customer to different departments such as sales, support, marketing, and the products teams. Now, they are asking for someone who has the ability to work a weekend split schedule, so either Tuesday through Saturday or Sunday through Thursday. So one weekend day is required. Best thing about this job, no college degree is needed. They do want somebody who has experience working with a SaaS or software as a service, software as a solution company, someone who has a prior tech support experience, great communication skills. Of course, you do have to be tech savvy, have great customer service skills, and have the enjoyment of working directly with customers. Now, it says it's a major plus if you have knowledge in any ticketing systems, Freshdesk, Google Hangout, or Slack, but that is not required. Now, unfortunately, actual pay was not listed in the job description. We'll get to my estimates in a minute, but actual pay will need to be discussed at the time of the interview. It looks like they are offering a standard benefit package that includes 401k, paid time off, all the things. But as far as the salary estimates go, I could not find the exact job title on Glassdoor to get a great estimate for, but basic customer support specialist, which is along the lines of this job they're hiring for, it says $41,000 to $44,000 a year. There is another customer support representative that said they make $39,000 to $41,000 a year, and then this customer success just says $75,000 to $117,000. So I am going to estimate this job pays anywhere between $40,000 a year and $44,000 a year. So you can kind of take that and see if it's worth your time to apply. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. me. Please feel free to leave anything specific that you're looking for down in the comments. I do read those and keep that in mind. And please give this video a thumbs up like button. If you enjoy non-phoned job leads like this, giving this a thumbs up like button does give me direct feedback that I'm on the right track and being helpful to someone. And I'll be back really, really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.